Hi Ben, how are you?
Great.
Okay, you're great. Okay, so are we finished? Wait for a while. Okay, what did you do today?
I love English.
Wow, no, yesterday, what did you do yesterday?
I love English.
You learned English yesterday?
Yes.
Wow, wow, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay. So let's see if you are done with this. I'm checking it with the lesson. Okay, for a while. Wait here. Okay, so I guess we are done with this. Okay, about the last lesson we had is about playing and working. That's unit 38, right?
Yes.
Okay, for a while. Okay, now I would like you to have listening test. Let's try the listening test today. Okay. Okay, for a while, I'm working with the listening test. Okay, so how are you feeling today? Okay, today I will give you assignment, okay? Because last time
Yes.
I did not give assignment, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, because you have lot of time to make assignment. Okay, just wait for a while.
Tự nghĩ không được trả lời trong lớp mà. Đúng không?
Okay, so I will give you words to answer tomorrow, like right after this. So what did you do? Did you go to your grandma's house, Ben?
Yes. After
Oh,
the lesson.
today after the lesson you will go to grandma's house?
Yes.
How old is your grandma?
I don't know.
80?
She 78. I think
Oh,
so.
78 or
8.
79?
78.
And where she's living now? She's living in where? Near in your house or far?
Far. Very,
Far.
very far.
Very far?
Yes.
So every weekend you go to your grandma's house?
Yes.
Wow. And she is your grandfather. Is your grandfather alive? She's still?
Yes.
Wow. How old is your grandfather?
I think it is 80.
18.
80.
Wow. 80? Wow. Really? 80? 80?
80.
Wow. Very old. You have lots, okay. You have lots of cousins there. Many cousins. Okay, here, Ben. I will share you the video in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So how was school last week? Is it going good? It's good? For a while, it's still opening. Oh, it's here. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. Wait for a while, yeah. What happened? Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, we are done last time on reading. La, 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 la. Okay, here. So now we'll try. It's been a long time that we did not have the listening test. So we will have a listening test today. So, okay. You will have to listen and please tell me who are the persons. And Teacher Anne will be the one to draw. Or do you know how to draw the lines in the computer? Do you know how to draw the lines?
No.
Oh, you will have to tell me. Okay, just tell me the person, the correct person. You be ready with the paper. Okay, listen carefully.
Part 1. Look at Part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Sam. Are you hungry?
Oh, hello, Miss Green. Yes, I am.
Are these children in your class?
Yes. There's my friend, Paul.
Is he the boy who's carrying his lunch to the table?
Yes. He's got French fries and an apple.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Who's the girl with the long blonde hair?
Do you mean the girl who's eating sandwiches?
Yes.
That's Daisy. I like her.
2.
Look at Jim.
I can't see him. Where is he?
He's helping Mrs. Cross.
Oh, yes. He's carrying a chair for her.
3.
There's Jill. She's choosing something to eat.
Oh, there are 2 girls there.
Yes, but Jill's the one with the red skirt.
Oh, yes. I can see now.
4.
I like Fred's new glasses.
Where is he?
There. Look, he's wearing a blue sweater.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see him there.
5.
Who's the new girl? Do you know?
Which one do you mean?
She's sitting there, reading a book. She's wearing green trousers.
Oh, that's Sally. It's her first day at this school. Would you like to sit with her?
OK, I can help her.
Now listen to Part 1 again.
Stop.
1.
Who's the girl with the long blonde hair?
Do you mean the girl who's eating sandwiches?
Yes.
That's Daisy. I like her.
Part 1. Look at Part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. Part 1. Look at Part 1.
Okay, Ben, wait
Look
for
at
a
the
while.
picture.
Do not
Listen.
stop. Okay.
And look. Part 1.
Okay.
Look at Part 1.
What happened? It will
Look
not
at the
stop.
picture. Listen.
Yeah, wait. Because, okay, here. So, what is number 1?
It is Daisy,
Daisy, where's Daisy?
the girl with the blonde hair.
The girl with the blonde hair. Okay, next. What's next?
Jim,
2. Next, who?
Jim.
Jim. Where's Jim?
He is wearing a blue shirt. A
Blue
green shirt.
Blue shirt.
No, green.
Green shirt. Okay. What else? Number 3.
Jill.
Jill. Where is Jill?
The girl with red skirt.
Okay, the girl with the red skirt. Next.
Fred.
Fred. Where is Fred?
She is wearing a blue sweater.
She is wearing a blue sweater. Next.
Sally.
Where is Sally?
She is reading a book.
She is reading a...
book.
Okay, with the green trousers. Okay, let's see. Very good. Daisy is the girl with a blonde girl eating sandwich. Okay. This one. Yeah, that's Daisy. Number 2. Jim is the boy putting the chairs out. Where is Jim? Okay, very good. Ben. Number 3. Jill is the girl in the red skirt queuing for lunch. Okay, this one. Okay. And Fred is the boy with glasses in the blue sweater here. And last one, this is Sally. Okay, she's busy reading a book. Okay, now here. Okay, lesson.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
I have some homework to give you. I want you all to write this in your books.
Okay. Is it our English homework?
Yes. So write English at the top of your books.
Okay.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Now, you must do the homework this week.
Which day shall we give it to you, Mr. Brown?
On Friday, please.
Okay then. Friday.
2.
So what do we have to do?
Well, I want you all to do some writing.
What kind of writing?
A story, please.
Oh, good. I like writing stories.
3.
How long does it have to be?
Ah, that's a good question. About 2 pages, please.
But I can only write slowly. Can I do 1 page, please?
No, I want you all to write 2 pages.
4.
What have we got to write about? Can we choose?
No, I want you to write about the jungle.
That's difficult. I can't do that.
You must try, Nick. We saw a film about jungles yesterday.
Well, I can try.
Five.
Now, here's the name of a book. Write it in your books, please.
Is this for homework?
Yes. I want you all to try and read it.
What's the name of the book?
The Lost World.
The Last World?
No, L-O-S-T.
OK, Mr. Brown.
Now listen to part 2 again.
Stop.
1.
Okay.
Stop. Stop.
Now,
Yeah,
Part
Ben.
2.
Wait. Okay, let's
Listen
stop.
and
Okay, this one.
part 2.
Okay. So, this number 2 is about the homework. Okay. It's an English homework for which day?
Friday.
or Friday. Okay, wait for a while. This will not stop, Ben. I don't know why with this. Okay.
Listen and look.
Okay, next.
There is one example.
Okay, next is what to write.
Good morning, children.
Part 2.
Wait for a while.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Okay. How long?
Good morning, children.
How many pages,
Good
Ben?
morning, Mr. Brown.
Two.
I have some
pages.
homework to give you.
And what's that all
I
about?
want you all to write this in your books.
The
Okay.
jungle.
Is it
About
our
the
English
jungle.
homework?
And the book
Yes.
to read is?
So write English at
Lost
the top of your books.
word.
Okay.
Okay, very good. At least very good, Ben. Here. So let's see this one. Wait, because I cannot control this one. Okay. Okay. So we have to finish, Ben. Okay. Lesson. We have to finish if it will make it twice. You have to listen the, what's that? The audio twice because we cannot stop. Okay. Let it play. Okay. Go, Ben. Lesson about this. What did Jane do last week? So you will have to write there, what are the things that Jane do last week? Okay. Okay. We will just finish until the audio stop. Okay.
Part 3.
Okay, go, Ben.
Look at the
Listen.
pictures. What did Jane do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Jane. It's good to see you in school again.
Thanks, Mr. Park.
Would you like to tell the class about your holiday?
Okay. The best day was Monday. I climbed a mountain.
Wow! Did you?
Yes.
Can you see the line from the word Monday? On Monday, Jane climbed a mountain. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What about Thursday?
Thursday. Oh, Dad and I went fishing.
Did you catch any fish?
No. We wanted some for dinner, but we didn't catch any.
2.
One day we went on a riverboat.
Oh, tell us. Which day was that?
Friday, I think. Oh, no. It was Wednesday. We took a picnic with us.
So you enjoyed that day?
Yes. My sister threw her sandwich in the water for the fish. It was funny.
3.
And did you go swimming?
Yes, on Tuesday. We swam in the sea on Tuesday. I love doing that.
Me too. Was the water cold?
Yes.
4.
Did you have any bad weather?
Yes. Sunday was the worst. It rained all day.
Oh dear. Did you go for a drive?
No. We walked to a farm. The ducks liked the rain. We laughed at them.
5.
And when did you come home?
On Saturday. We were in the car all day.
But did you stop for lunch?
Yes. We stopped in a village.
It was a good holiday then?
Oh, yes. We all enjoyed it.
Now listen to part 3 again. 1.
What about Thursday?
Thursday.
Stop.
Oh, Dad and I went
I cannot
fishing.
stop this. Just continue
Did you
reading.
catch any fish?
Listening. I cannot
No.
stop. You will stop
We
this
wanted some for
anytime,
dinner,
okay?
but
For
we
a
didn't
while.
catch any.
One more.
Can I answer now?
2.
One day we went on a riverboat.
Oh, tell us. Which day was that?
Friday, I think.
Ben, you cannot
no.
stop this.
It was
Listen now.
Wednesday.
One more. One only.
We took a
because
picnic
this is
with us.
twice.
So you enjoyed that day?
Yes. My sister threw her sandwich in the water for the fish. It was funny.
3.
And did you go swimming?
Yes, on Tuesday. We swam in the sea on Tuesday. I love doing that.
Me too. Was the water cold?
Yes.
4.
Did you have any bad weather?
Yes. Sunday was the worst. It rained all day.
Oh dear. Did you go for a drive?
No. We walked to a farm. The ducks liked the rain. We laughed at them.
5.
And when did you come home?
On Saturday. We were in the car all day.
But did you stop for lunch?
Yes. We stopped in a village.
It was a good holiday then?
Oh, yes. We all enjoyed it.
That is the end of part 3.
Okay. So, Ben, okay, just like that, Ben, you will not, okay, listen to teacher. We cannot stop this because this is already, you need to listen twice. That's why we cannot stop, okay? So, what did Jane do last week? First,
Jane will go fishing with his dad.
okay, what day is that?
Thursday.
Thursday, let's see. Oh, it's Wednesday. Okay, next, Ben, what's next?
Jane is fishing with his dad on Thursday.
Okay, Thursday. Where is it? Wednesday, this here. Okay, okay, very good. How about Saturday?
Her family go home
Go home from where?
from the mountain.
How about Wednesday? What did you do on Wednesday?
Her family take a boat and ride around.
Okay, ride around. Okay, next. How about Sunday? What did you do or where did you go on Sunday?
It was rain.
It was raining and then? Where did you go?
They go to the farm.
Oh, they go to the farm because it's raining. How about Monday? Can you describe what did they do in Monday? Can you describe what did they do on Monday?
They climb the mountain.
Okay, that's part of their holiday. Okay. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday. How about Tuesday? Where did they go?
They go to the beach.
Oh, they go to the beach. So they climb to the mountain. They go to the beach. Okay, so they are having a great holiday. But Jane was free on what day is Jane free? What day is that?
Friday.
Friday, Jane does not have anything to do. So she is free on Friday. Okay, so now here, okay, Ben, let us have here, you have to listen to the box. Okay, tell me.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What does Nick want for breakfast?
Good morning, Nick. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, please, Mum. Can I have some eggs?
Sorry, Nick. I haven't got any. You can have some fruit or some bread and cheese.
No, thanks. I don't want that.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Which girl is May's sister?
Hello, May. What are you doing?
I'm trying to find my sister. She went to buy an ice cream and now I can't see her.
I can help you. Has she got fair hair like you?
Yes. And she's wearing a blue coat.
There she is. Look.
2. Where did Kim play?
What did you do at the weekend, Kim?
We played with our kites. It was great.
Did you go to the beach?
No, I played in the field.
Which one? Behind your house?
Yes, it was very windy up there. It's better than the one next to the river.
Okay. So which girl is May's sister?
I think it is
I think
B.
B. Oh, how about where did Kim play?
C.
Letter C. Where is it? It's in the mountain, beside the river, or it's in the beach?
The field behind his house.
Okay, behind. Oh, the field behind his house. Next, here. It's about the zoo animals.
Three. Which animals did Sam like best at the zoo?
Did you enjoy the zoo, Sam?
Yes, thanks. We saw all the animals.
Which did you like best? The lions?
No, my brother liked them, but I like the pandas best.
Oh, yes. They're okay, but the bears are my favorites.
4. What did Jill buy at the shops?
Hello, Jill. Did you go to the shops after school?
Yes, I wanted to buy something for Sue. It's her birthday today.
Oh, right. What did you choose? A CD?
No, she didn't want one. I bought a video.
That's good. Her mum and dad gave her some new skates.
5. What's Ben's mum cooking for supper?
What are you doing, Mum?
I'm cooking supper. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Is it chicken?
No, it's pasta today.
Oh, can we have French fries?
No, we can't have them every day.
Okay. So which animals did Sam like?
A.
Okay, it's panda, a bear, and what's this? A bear and a lion and a bear. Okay, it's panda. How about number 4? What did Jill buy at the shops?
A.
A. What's this with letter A? It's a tape. And what is Ben's mom cooking for supper? What's your mom cooking? What's your mom's cooking? This is you. What is your mom cooking?
C. Pasta.
Letter C, spaghetti. You like spaghetti, Ben? You like spaghetti?
Yes.
Wow, okay. So, by the way, what's the weather in Vietnam? Why are you wearing a jacket? It's cold.
Yes.
Oh, it's raining there? It's raining in Vietnam?
No, but it is windy.
Ah, that's why you're wearing a jacket. Okay, here. So we have here some things that we need to color. Okay. You don't like this? Okay, let's move here. Okay, we'll move to the other topic. Okay. Here, I have another topic. Okay, we'll have two other topics. I know you don't like drawing.
Banana.
Okay, well, it's windy here in Philippines. In our place, it's very sunny. It's very hot outside, very hot. Ben, are you living in a flat or in a house?
In a house.
Ah, you are near to the city or? You are near in the city or far?
Far.
Far. Okay, let's hear. So in Unit 39, we've got lots of things to do. Okay, love here. Okay, first, I will ask you, Ben, now, what do you do in the morning before you come to school? Okay, what's that? What do you do in the morning before you come to school?
Wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast.
Wow. After you wake up, you brush your teeth and and go to school. How about taking a bath? You will not take a bath?
No.
Oh, why?
Because my dad take me to school.
Ah, so you're in a hurry always. Okay. Look at this one. See? What is that? Oh, after you wake up, do the exercise. Look at that one. And brush your teeth and take a bath and what's this? And
breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Okay, here. Okay, these are the things or the mimi actions: getting out of bed, putting on your shoes, washing your face, open the door, put on your coat, and say goodbye. Okay, this is the mimi actions. All the things that you like. Okay, how about this here? When do you do these things? When? Okay. Look at in number 1, in the morning. Example, you will wash your face in the morning. How about this one? When do you do this?
In the afternoon.
Okay, in the afternoon. Yeah, in the evening. That's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 7:30 in the evening. How about this?
In the afternoon.
Yeah, it's in the afternoon. Okay. How about this? Very obvious.
Night.
It's night. Yeah. So I will ask you, do you write text messages? Do you write text message to your friends?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you clean your teeth?
Yes.
Do you do your homework?
Yes.
Okay. When do you give food to your pet? Do you have pet at home, Ben?
Yes.
Okay.
But I don't like to give food to it.
What do you have at home? You have dogs?
Yes, but I don't like.
You don't like dogs? You don't like dogs?
I like dogs, but I don't like to give it.
Oh, you don't like? Who give food to your dogs?
No, I don't.
Oh, no. What happened to your dogs? Your dogs will be hungry.
My mom give.
Your mom will be the one to give the food. Okay. When do you have a shower?
In the evening.
In the evening. When do you play outside?
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay, here another. Okay, do you do your homework every day?
Yes.
Okay, that's the answer. Yes, I do my homework every day. When do you have a shower?
I have in the evening.
How many days do you have to shower in a week?
Every week.
Every week only? Once a day? Once a week?
Now,
Every
7 days a week.
Okay. In the evening. Okay, here. Now look at this one. Okay. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay. So the answer for this is about Farmer Jack. Farmer Jack is 90 now. Wow, very young. Oh, very old. He likes telling his grandchildren about when he was young. Okay, I always got up at 4 o'clock. I have quick wash and quick breakfast. Then I went to see the cows in my field. Okay, now you answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You read and answer.
At about 7 o'clock, I came back into the house and had a second breakfast. I work in the morning, the afternoon, and in the evening. When there was something wrong with one of the animals, sometimes had to get up.
What's the answer?
After
Up night. Okay, and number 5.
night and work hard then too. I work every day in all kinds of weather. I could never take a break or have a holiday, but I didn't always work on Sunday evenings.
Wow, wow, very good, Ben. So this is the grandpa Farmer Jack. Farmer Jack is very hardworking man. Okay. He always told this story to his grandchildren. So at about 7 o'clock, okay, at about 7 o'clock, comb your hair. At about 7 o'clock, I came back into the house and had my second breakfast. Oh, I work in the morning, the afternoon, and evening. Oh, very hard working. When there was something wrong with one of the animal, I sometimes had to get up at night and work hard then. I work every day in all kinds of weather. I could never take a break or have a holiday, but I didn't always work on Sunday evenings. Oh, that's why. So, as you can see here, you can see that Farmer Jack is very hardworking man. Oh, very good. Now, is this easy or difficult?
Difficult.
Difficult? Yeah. Okay, now I will ask you, is it easy to be a farmer or no?
No.
Okay, come here. It's easy. It's not easy to become a farmer. Okay. So take note of this band. Always, often, sometimes, never. Okay. These are adverb. Okay. These are adverb of frequency. Okay. How many times do you take a bath? Always. How many times do you go to the beach? Sometimes. Okay. So look at this one. When we see every day, Ben, When we say every day, it's always. When we say 4 days a week, it's often, not always. When I say 2 days a week, that's sometimes. When I say 2 days a week, that's sometimes. When I say no days, never. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, now, can you make me a sentence using every day? Okay, I will write here. Okay, sentence. Okay, number 1. Using every day. Okay, you can write it in the chat, please. Using every day. Okay, next, number 2, you will have to make me a sentence using often or the often. The often. Number 3, sometimes, and number 4, never. Go, Ben. Okay. Okay, number 3, sometimes. And number 4, never. Here, where is it? It's here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, what teacher Ann said? Please start with capital letter. And don't forget to put period. Here, like this. I often go to beach. Okay. Ben, look at like this. Like this, Ben. Okay. I should always be capital. Next is, I go to school every day. Okay, that's good. I go to school every day. Very good, Ben. Okay, next. I never play with a lion. Oh my God. Okay, this one. Okay, like that. Next one. I walk to the school sometimes. Okay, look at this one, Ben. Ben, look at your answer correct. Very good. Okay, you're very good in answering. All you have to remember is please do the please have the letter I big letter. Okay, Ben?
Okay.
Okay, and don't forget to put period, punctuation mark, okay? Wow, you're very good in writing grammar. I walk to the school sometimes. Do not say, listen to teacher, do not say I sometimes walk to school, okay? I walk to the school sometimes, okay? Yay! Oh, you're doing great now. Okay, so we need to have your assignment, okay? I will let you make, yeah. That's Q&A. I know you like question and answer. You like question. So here. Imagine you work on the farm. That is life like Jack's. Okay, the farmer Jack. Let us talk about all the jobs you have to do. Example, you work on the farm. What are the jobs you want to do on the farm? Okay, you will write a 2 paragraph about that. Okay, can you do it? Can you do it? Okay, yeah, of course. I know you can do it. Go, Ben. I know you can. And then please have that. Give it to me in Zalo. Okay? Okay. Okay. Yeah, yay. Because you will have to pass that next Friday. It's too long. Okay? Okay, can you do it, Ben? Yay. Okay, very good, Ben. So, you are done. Okay, I will give you assignment. Okay. Okay, Ben, for now, teacher, do you have question?
No.
Okay, where are you going right after this?
Go to grandma's house.
Wow, every day you will, I mean every weekend you will go to grandma's house?
Yes.
Wow, who's with you? You will go to with your mom and dad? Your mom and dad? Who else?
Grandma, grandpa.
No, when you go there, you will ride a car?
Yes.
Yeah, and who will drive the car?
Don't know.
I don't know. Oh, okay. For now, Ben, teacher Anne will say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay. Okay, see you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, I will say my regards to Jillian. Jillian is doing something, a drawing, a paint. Okay. Do you have Facebook, Ben? Facebook.
No.
Do you have Facebook? Oh, you don't have Facebook?
Yes.
You don't have.
Yes.
Okay, but you have Zalo. Okay. For now, bye-bye, Ben. Thank you.
Teacher.
Okay. God bless. You take care and be good at school. Okay? Bye.
Okay.